So I found this amazing website that pays you about $3 every 45 seconds. Just listen to music literally, and I'm going to be showing you guys how exactly it works. So first, come go to this website and find the right category, then click on play and listen to the music. Now, once you are done listening to it, all we need to do is download right here and download this song to our computer. So the next thing you need to do is come to this second website here, see upload device. Now, another interesting thing is that this particular website is also available as an app that can download on your phone. And all you need to do is come here and click on get it on Google Play Store and download this app on your phone right now. Once you're done uploading, boom, you're gonna come to this particular website. And I'll be seeing people like how much they're making. Now, this has made $1.06.02, $1.20, $1.03, $1 here, $1 here, $1. And this is the same thing you can, as you can see, on the 4th of September, Tito has been making money over and over again. And that's what makes this website very interesting. The fact that you can do the same thing every 45 seconds and enter $3 every 45 seconds. So this means that one song, $3, right? Two songs, $6. Why 40 songs will be $120. Easy money making, okay? So if you comment down right here, you will see people actually making money with these $1, $1, $1, $1. Now look at this guy. He made $1 here, $1, $1. This guy made $5 in with just one song. You just keep going down. You're going to see somebody that's making $3 or 8 cents right here, $5 or 59 cents equal. So this is real money. People like you who are making money on this website, just listening to music. And there's no reason why you cannot do exactly the same thing. What I can show you is how to get paid on this website. And I can assure you that this website works anywhere in the world. And let me show you how they pay. So you come right here now, you're going to see pay. You can get paid with PayPal, Finance by PAL, and PE, Advocash, Bicera, Pocket Money, Web Money EP, Skrill Net Seller rather, and Union, Westside Union, Bitcoin, USDT. Even if you don't have a PayPal account, you have a finance account and you can get paid on finance with just $1 minimum payout. So as soon as you have the $1 attitude, withdraw your money into your finance account easily. So I told you you can make actually $3 every 45 seconds. Well, you actually make more money. So let me show you. If your traffic is coming from the country here, you're going to be getting $7, $4 tier 3, $4, $3. Now, what are these years? This is the right thing. Tier 1 is US and Canada. Tier 2 is Australia. Tier 3 is Saudi Arabia, Iraq, where tier 4 is all other countries. So this actually works in every country in the world. And I'm going to be showing you guys everything from beginning to the end, giving news to Anton. Now, all you need to do right here is smash the like button in this video, subscribe to my channel, most importantly, so that when I drop more videos like this, you are not going to miss on it. If you have any questions at any point, let me know in the comment section, as I'm going to be there to answer all of your questions. And of course, go ahead, share the video with your friends so they can actually make money online with you. So come to Pixabay. Come search right here and search a music. Now, the interesting thing is that all the music has no copyright. So you're free to use this music as you want, or you're going to be using it to make money in this video right now. So you can download Pixar free and instrumental for your next project. Now, these are all the categories: electronic video games, soundtracks, stuff like this. So let's say I want to work with soundtrack and I'm going to click on this, for instance. So he's going to show these soundtracks right here. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to play here, listen right, and if this is good music, what I'm going to do is just come and hit the download right, and this gets downloaded to our local computer. So this is downloading right now, so it's done downloading, and I'm going to close this and download the second one. And it's going to download again, and I'm going to download the third one. So I have downloaded 3 songs, and I'm going to come to this second website where this is where the magic is, which is why I'm going to be revealing to only people who are actually interested in making money with this sort of blue website. I don't want people who are not serious to come to this website and it becomes saturated, and this particular method of making money online would make jobs disappear. So I don't want that happening. I'm going to be revealing this website at the end of this video to only people who are actually interested in making money online using this particular method. So it's important for you to stay with me from the beginning to the end of this video if you're really interested in making money online. So I'm going to come to this website and click on sign up to actually sign up to my account on this particular website, and I'm going to put my username here, choose my password, put my email address here, and hit the sign up. Right, very easy, and it takes only about a minute to actually sign up into an account right here. So right here it says account balance is 0, space used is 0,
and referrals. So we need to upload our music that we just downloaded onto this particular website right now. So let's do that real quick. I'm going to come here, click on file upload, click on choose file.
So our file has been uploaded successfully, and I'm gonna come here and go to my account. I gotta see that use space is now 0.02 of 120 gig. That's what we've used primarily. Now the order will start to limit the money on this particular website. But the first thing, let me show you how to go about the withdrawal method. I'm gonna come here. This is the payment information. How do you get paid on this website? Like I've showed you before. These are all the options. Ben is actually my favorite right here, even PayPal. So let's see, you actually make a withdrawal. Let me show you how you're going to do that. I'm going to come here, go to my payments request by the side of my screen right here. You can withdraw money. You have said any payment. So I'm going to come here and click here to select the payment. First, select the pyramids of course, unless I want to get payment. I'm putting my bounce email address right here, putting my bonus email address right here. Come down to the bottom, click I'm not a robot, right, and click on save settings. That's how you actually set up your payment information, right? So this has been set up right now. As soon as the commission email is sent, so an email has been sent to me to confirm that I'm the person actually trying to set this payment information. So what I need to do right now is go to my email and confirm that I'm actually the person initiating this. So this email from our website, I'm going to come here and click on confirm your request. Write aloud to other, you need to, and our request has been confirmed. So let's get back to our site. So he says our payment settings is successful. So I'm going to clear the clothes right now. If you come here and go to payment request, of course you must admit some money. So I'm going to come here right now. I see I want to make payouts. So what you need to do is put how much you are requesting that you want to get paid. Right, of course. So you must have this money in your balance. Now come here and click request payout, and that's what I need. And your money is going to be deposited into your bank account in less than 24 hours. I mentioned the fact that there are other ways to make money on this website, but the first thing is let me tell you what this website is about. So this website I'm talking about is a website called -forever.net. And this is a site for profit that you actually earn money by uploaded audio files. So your question may be, how does this website make the money that you pay at the end of the day? And I'm going to be clearing that to you right now. So when people actually come to this website to download the files that you have uploaded, this website shows out to the people. They share a percentage of the profit they made from your ad because you actually own the file that is bringing these people onto their website. More like how YouTube works, basically. So all you need to do is find those files, put on this website, and start sharing the links to use your files on Facebook, social media, and all other platforms. Like I said earlier, there's a lot of ways to actually make money on this particular platform. One of them is called PPD, paid for download, right? For every download that projects your audio, you get paid for it, right? I also earn 20% off completed downloads. And of course, when you refer to the website, you get a 10% of the profits. Whenever they make profit, you get 10% of that profit, right? And also you earn 55% of completed downloads, lost profit for you from inviting someone through your referral link. And of course, a file, you can actually sell this file. Let me show you how to set this up. I'm going to come here and go back to my account. Welcome back to my account. Now come here and click on my files, and you can do that from here where it says my files, right? Click on my files right here. I can set up the amount I actually want to sell this. If you actually want to sell this, right, so you can actually sell it or leave it on the free option. And once you download it, you get paid for that. I'm going to come right here. Let's say I want to sell this one on our store again. I want to sell this. I'm going to come here and click on this edit button. Put a description here. I'm going to call it ONO and SOD. I've put a password, right? Like I set up the price. I want to sell this for $10. And unless I want to sell this from 1 to 10, $1, then 10 cents, I hit the submit right here so I can begin to sell this and of course make money doing this. Now these ones you can leave them for free and make sure everything is public, right? And that's all you need to do to touch it. I made money. You can start with this by sharing to your friends. At the common download, for every download you get paid, and that's one. I can also sell this, touch it. I made money on this website just listening to music. Download. And that brings us to the end of today's video. If this video was helpful, let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you don't get to miss any of our amazing content. See you guys.